How to manage Bluetooth devices on Devant Smart TV. And okay guys, on your remote, press the menu button. Here in menu, go to settings. In settings, go to network. In network, go to Bluetooth. In Bluetooth, you can see here the equipment management. And now you can manage the Bluetooth devices connected to your Devant Smart TV. And for my example, here the available devices, the Mosa Mini MX. So you can go to this or pair or connect to these Bluetooth devices. So you can click again this to disconnect or unpair these Bluetooth devices. So for my example, I unpair this Mosa Mini MX. So okay guys, and you can repress again and you can connect again if you want to Mosa Mini MX. So just click again and you can see the check on the right side of this. So if you can see the check, so the Mosa Mini MX is connected to this TV or Devant Smart TV. And that's it, okay? We have successfully managed the Bluetooth devices on Devant Smart TV.